Today we're going to make a new bake, Eggless, Flourless, 3 ingredients chocolate cookies. First, we need graham crackers and place it inside the food processor. Then grind the crackers until it's a fine consistency. In a mixing bowl, pour the finely crushed crackers and add 4 ounces or a half cup of softened cream cheese. Then mix together until combined. Now, scoop a tablespoon of cookie dough and shape it into a ball. Then, chill the cookies and set it aside. Meanwhile, boil the water to melt the chocolate easily, or you can also melt the chocolate in the microwave. Next, in a bowl, pour the milk chocolate. Then, stir the chocolate until it's melted. So when the chocolate is melted, turn off the heat and remove from the stove. Then, coat the cookie dough in the melted chocolate. Chill the chocolate cookies inside the fridge to solidify faster. Now with the chocolate cookies solidified, cut the edges and serve. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe as much as we enjoyed it. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.